Welcome to the objective question series. Today we are studying the objective questions from central problems of an economy. Question number 1. Which central problem deals LIT and CIT? Option A, what to produce. Option B, how to produce. Option C, for whom to produce. So central problem deals LIT and CIT. First of all, what is LIT and CIT? LIT is labor intensive technique and CIT is capital intensive technique. So what is the answer? We know what to produce. That problem relates to selection of goods and services to be produced. Then what is how to produce? That refers to selection of techniques to be used for production of goods and services. Then for whom to produce? That deals the distribution of produced goods and services among the individuals within the economy. That is for whom to produce. Then what is the answer? LIT and CIT means labor intensive technique and capital intensive technique. That techniques, that problems deals with how to produce. So the answer is option B, how to produce. Question number 2. The problem of dash involves the selection of technique to be used for production of goods and services. Option A, what to produce. Option B, how to produce. Option C, for whom to produce. Answer. The problem of dash, the selection of techniques. So listen carefully. Selection of technique. So selection of technique, that is related with, is it what to produce? We know what to produce, that involves selection of goods and services to be produced and quantity to be produced. Here the question is selection of technique. Selection of technique, that is related with how to produce, that is not for whom to produce. So option B is the answer. Question number 3. The problem of dash involves selection of goods and services to be produced and quantity to be produced of selected commodity. Option A, how to produce. Option B, what to produce. Option C, for whom to produce. We already discussed the answer in the previous question. So what is the answer? Selection of goods and services to be produced. Yes, the answer is what to produce. Selection of goods. Here the question is selection of goods and services to be produced and quantity to be produced. Then the answer is what to produce. Question number 4. Which central problem is concerned with personal distribution and functional distribution? Option A, how to produce. Option B, what to produce. And option C, for whom to produce. We know what is how to produce. That problem refers to selection of techniques. We already discussed that. So that is not the answer. Then what to produce? That involves selection of goods and services to be produced and the quantity to be produced. Okay. So that also is not the answer. So here the distribution, when you are seeing the term distribution, then the answer is for whom to produce. For whom to produce, that problem relates to distribution of produced goods and services among the individual within the economy. And this problem, that is for whom to produce, that deals. This problem can be categorized personal distribution and functional distribution. So this is deals with which one? For whom to produce. 5th question. 2 branches of economics are dash. Option A, positive and normative economics. Option B, micro and macroeconomics. Option C, none of this. It's a direct question, so not needed any confusion. It's not positive and normative. Option B is the answer, micro and macroeconomics. Thank you.